Week 1, here we are. Welcome to Intro to Hospitality. I'm very excited for this semester and to meet all of you. So as you can see on the screen here, at the first page of each of the modules will have a welcome page that will summarize our objectives for the week, as well as a quick reference guide for what pages to read, videos to watch, or any reference materials. And then as in the do column, those is the activities that we have to be able to demonstrate the learning for the week. So this particular week is a little bit more reference material heavy to get you assimilated to the way that the semester is going to be rolled out. And I did send an email. Hopefully you saw it. This is an asynchronous class, so there are no set times that we would need to meet. I will have optional office hours, and as well you can give me any kind of feedback on if a better day and time will work, and I'll make those adjustments. So I look forward to this semester, and in this particular week we'll be doing some introductions. We'll be introducing the modules of hospitality. It will be a pretty fast moving class where each week I will upload new material, and we'll cover kind of one basic area of hospitality per week. So we'll start off in hotels. That's oftentimes what people associate hospitality with, but then we'll move into food and beverage, meetings and special events, and have a great time along the way. So I look forward to any questions that you might have. I will have a discussion board up and posted as well that I'll add to this page so that you have it for reference, so that we can ask any questions that might pertain to the entire group. And I'll be available through typically the inbox in Canvas will work the best to be able to reach out to me with any questions that you might have. I'll save the introductions on myself for when you view that introduction assignment and can watch my video clip on that. So have a great fall semester. I look forward to learning from you, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you.